surge, no surge, surge, no surge. What's going on? Lyft had said, oh, we're going to get rid of surge. We're going to get rid of it. And then we've talked about how getting rid of surge is just a stupid idea because you're going to screw your company during those busy times, like especially bar hours, events, concerts, busy times, rush hour, quite a bit of the day when there's surge going on, everybody's going to flock to Uber. They're not going to flock to Lyft. So recently, David Risher came out and said, oh, we're not going to get rid of surge. We're actually going to keep surge. So for everybody, surge isn't going away. No. William, thank you for the super chat.
You know what happened though? Because I had actually had a clarification from Lyft about this. They said that we never talked about getting rid of surge during the conference call, which they did. Okay, you can listen to it.
Yep.
But I'll just go, okay, I'll slide with that one. But they now are saying that surge was down 35% on the passengers and for the drivers because
too many drivers.
This is their word. Don't torture me for this. They said the marketplace is very healthy, right? So they said,
in other words, too many drivers.
Yeah, exactly. So that's their way of saying it's oversaturation. We have drivers at every corner. We killed the surge that way. And I snapped back and I said, marketplace is healthy for who, sir? Not for me. It's healthy for the passenger and you, not for me. So, and then the conversation ended right there. However, also what they figured is that if they do kill or surge or prime time on the back end, right, their take rate is going to collapse because they certainly cannot pay the driver any less than what they're paying now. So then they thought about it. I go, okay, if we kill surge, we can't pay the driver less because we're already paying him nothing. So our take rate is going to collapse, meaning whatever we collect from the passenger, if we get rid of surge, is going to be nothing. So I go like, no, I didn't mean that. Surge is not going away. Why it matters, obviously, all this stuff. We know customer does not like surge. We know that, right? And going to the concert, they pay $30 going there, but coming out, they pay $130. I get it. But then since Lyft or Uber share the wealth with the driver anyway. So on our end, as a driver, I don't think we need to be too concerned about it. But they had a sit down with David, and he said, no, surge is not going away. We would like it to go away, but I don't think it's going away. So he goes, I
think the biggest thing too is he said this last week that they were more focused on passengers. And so they were looking at the passenger side and saying, oh, well, surge is one of the sticking points that passengers don't like. Well, you know what? Passengers might not like it, but that's the whole point of dynamic pricing. And when it comes down to it, you're going to either deal with it or you're going to figure something else out. And talking about a passenger. And for drivers, obviously we like it because we can make more. We liked it a lot better when it was multiplier or percentage increase when it was prime time. But it's a little extra is a little extra. And now it's time to focus on the driver. So let's start focusing on the driver, and that's where surge pricing can help.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere, obviously. And look, when they say marketplace is very healthy, Chris, that's their way of saying we have a lot of drivers out there, and we don't have to because the surge algo is not even kicking in because supply is equal to demand or even more than the demand. So automatically surge is just dying just for the fact that every corner of LA, there are 8 Lyft and 8 Uber drivers. So,
yep. So when people are like, oh, they turned surge off. No, they didn't. There's just too many drivers.
Yeah, way too many.
So you gotta, maybe reevaluate where you're driving in your market.
I took screenshots. I took screenshots, buddy, when I was driving from every corner, everywhere I went. I took screenshots. You know me, I just look at the passenger app constantly. I couldn't get away, bro. Every mile I went, there were 8 cars. Everywhere I went, I was like, holy shit. In the old days, I could get away. I can't get away. There's too many cars out there. So,
yeah, there's quite a bit. So, just letting you know there.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.